So you might be used to your students accessing Google Drive and Google Docs on their iPads, but how do they do it from a computer at their student home? It's quite simple. Simply go to google.com and then have your students sign in. Once they sign in, they'll be prompted to put in their Google Apps for Education email address, even though it's not an email address. Remember, it is their last name, first initial, last four digits of their student ID at stu.mhs.org. Now, I'm going to put in my Google Apps account right here. I'm going to hit next, and then I'm prompted to put in my password. They'll simply type in their password. It may not be a bad idea right down here to uncheck stay signed in so that no other students can access their account. Hit sign in, and then they're logged in. So the next thing that they'll want to do is check right up here in the top right hand corner for their email address. And as you can see, I have a picture, but my email address or my Google Apps address appears right here. So the next thing I would do is I would go right here to the waffle or the apps launcher, and I would go directly to Google Drive. In Google Drive, that's where all of my different files that I've created, Google Docs, Forms, spreadsheets, the whole gamut, and I can go ahead and open those up. But from time to time, kids may forget their actual file name. So what I can do is I can go right up here to the search and start typing in maybe the title, maybe a keyword that would be associated with that file, and I can open up that file right here. Now, another trick that I can use as well is right here is I can go to recent. If I just was working on that particular document, I will see it right here under recent. It goes in chronological order. Now I'm going to go back to the My Drive tab so that you can see all of my different files here. And let's say that I'm finished working on my assignment. What I can then do is I can go right up here to my email address, and when I go up to my email address or my Google Apps for Education address, where my picture is, I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to go to sign out. So when I go to sign out, it'll sign me out, and then the next student can actually go on and access Google Drive. Now, once again, they would go to sign in. They would have to put in their email address, and remember, uncheck this stay signed in. That way, nobody accidentally accesses their account.